Where does the name for Bontnewydd come from? So today I'm in Bontnewydd. It's a very small village on both sides of the River Elwy, which is also the border between Conwy County and Denbighshire. Let's get into the name.
So the name is made of two parts. Firstly, bont, which is the soft mutation of pont, meaning a bridge. This word, borrowed in Roman times into Brythonic, the ancestor language to Welsh, came from the Latin word pons, or more accurately, its accusative form, pontem. Newydd means new, from Proto-Celtic nowios. The bridge in question probably refers to the 18th century bridge which spans the Elwy in the middle of the village. There was a mill in Bontnewydd, which was run in the 12th century by a poet called Llywarch ap Llywelyn, or better known by his title, Prydydd y Moch, the Bard of the Pigs, so called because he was rewarded for his services, supposedly, with a scoop of flour from each bag of corn that was ground, which he supposedly fed to his pigs. One of the most fascinating things in Bontnewydd is a cave just on its northern edge.
Now this place is important for two reasons. Firstly, because it's one of only 3 places in all of Britain where Neanderthal remains have been found, but secondly because it's the furthest northwest place in all of Europe that Neanderthal remains have been found, and might actually represent the outer edge of where the Neanderthals lived.
So this is Bontnewydd Paleolithic site. It was excavated in 1872, and later again in 1978, when it produced its amazing finds. It was also supposedly visited by Charles Darwin at some point. The Neanderthal remains were from 225,000 years ago, and consisted of teeth and a jawbone from an 11-year-old boy. It's not just historical for its human remains, but also contained the remains from a wolf from 243,000 years ago, and it's the oldest record of them in all of Britain as well. There are also the remains of reindeer and woolly rhinoceros, which were dated to between 41 and 28,000 years ago.
So the name literally means the new bridge. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.